class we discussed about the immunity system, types of immunity system. Immunity system is divided into many groups. There are innate immunity and acquired immunity. So last class discussed about the small description about the types of innate immunity. Innate means non-specific immunity. There is a natural acquired immunity discussed under the innate immunity. Any organism by birth, so they can contain some important resistance to the disease. So these by birth containing resistance to the disease discussed under innate immunity. So this innate immunity takes place by the following factors. There are physical and mechanical factor, biochemical factor, genetical factor, other factor. First is the physical factor discussed last class. What are the physical factors? Skin, how they are major role play in the immunity system. Skin, mucous membrane, cilia, cough, sneezing, peristaltic tears, as well as urine and other. How the physical factors can able to influence on the immune system discussed last class. Today I am discussing about the biochemical factor. The following biochemical factors can able to influence on the natural immune system. They are first one secretion of skin. Skin contains the tube. Skin is a very important primary outer border of the animal body. So it is not allowing any chemical substance or the bacterial, fungal, virus, whatever it may be. So foreign particles they can able to try and enter into the animal body. The first barrier, first preventer is the skin. Skin contains the two important glands already you know, that is the sebaceous gland and sweat gland. So sebaceous glands are also useful for the secretion of sebum. Sebum is the one kind of oily substance. It is useful for the cleaning and maintaining of the skin and hairs. So at the, before the hair fall, a small gland is there. It is called a sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland can able to secreting to the chemical substance name is called a sebum. Sebum is oily substance. It is also acting as an antiseptic agent and antiviral agent. So next, second one is the sweat gland. Sweat glands also very important glands. Numerous uncountable sweat glands are present along the skin. Numerous uncountable. Sweat gland can able to secrete the sweat. Sweat is nothing but it is the urine. So salty urine. So you know already skin is also acting as excretory organ. So there is excess urine also excrete through the skin. So this urine also you know already last class discussed, urine also can able to conduct acting as antiseptic agent. So similar fashion when any chemical substance or any harmful material either living or alien matter when they are trying to enter into the animal body, first barrier skin containing numerous, that is the sebaceous and sweat glands also acting as an antiseptic agent. They are not allowing into the animal body. If they are trying to allowing under presence of sebum and under presence of what is that urine or sweat, they can able to die. So that's why skin secretion is also very important. They are also playing major role in the development of the immune system. So next, secretion of digestive tract. Digestive tract also very important. So because of numerous uncountable glands out there. So what are the digestive glands? First is the salivary glands, stomach, that is the stomach gland, and also cardiac gland it means. So next, intestinal gland, pancreatic gland, as well as so what are the liver, like that. Numerous digestive glands out there. Every digestive gland secretions all are acting as an antiseptic agent. So first is the saliva. So when the food is enter into the animal body, so then first food is mixed with the saliva. Saliva also contains the antiseptic agent. If there are any microbes along with food entering, so in the buccal cavity through the saliva, their destruction takes place. If there any mistakenly, if they are entering into the stomach, you know already stomach secretions are very important secretions out there. So what is the main HCl? Acid is secreted by the stomach. The concentration HCl is secreting. So under presence of concentration HCl, any microbes which are escaping from the buccal cavity, when they are entered into the stomach, so under presence of HCl, almost all 100% they are dry, they are died. There is no any chance to living. So these secretions also almost all they are acting as a killing to the foreign particles, killing to the virus, killing to the bacteria. So even pancreatic gland secretions also acting as antiseptic agent. So bile juice also acting as antiseptic agent. Intestinal juice also acting as a antiseptic agent. So like that, every secretion, digestive gland secreting every juice, they can able to kill to the viral, bacterial, fungal diseases. Not only diseases, if there are any agents creating numerous problems when they are entering, all the creators, small creators, kill under presence of digestive tract. So human being milk. So milk also acting as an antiseptic agent. So by birth, every human being after birth, after delivery, they are giving to the milk to their children. So mother milk is also acting as antiseptic agent. They are also trying to more immunity system is more development is takes with the child. That's why. So mother milk also very important to immunity system development purpose, as well as they are also trying to kill other microbes. So and also lysosomes also very important. So they are also acting as antiseptic agent. Complements. So complements means complements is the system of an enzymatic proteins. So these are also acting as an antiseptic agent. They are also trying to kill the microbes and viral and fungus. And also interferons. Interferon also, these are also group of soluble non-toxic glycoproteins. So these non-toxic glycoproteins also kill to the any foreign particles, that is living particles or high living particles when enter into the animal body. They are also tried kill to the microbes, virus, fungus, bacterial, like that numerous, whatever it may be, they are unexpectedly or expectedly enter into the animal body. So then they are killed through these interferons, complementary, and like that. And also secretion of bacterial flora. So animal body can able to secreting in the numerous interstitial cells, interstitial fluid also acting as a antiseptic agent. So bacterial flora when enter into the animal body through these secretions, almost all the 100% they are trying to kill through these secretions of biochemical secretions. So the following biochemical secretions are also acting as antiseptic agent. They are secretions of skin, already discussed. Second one, secretions digestive, human beings, lysosome, interferons, complements, and proteins, and secretions of bacterial flora. These all are biochemical agents or the biochemical factors enabled to influence, kill to the different kind of microbes, virus and fungi. So like that, these also come under the biochemical factor. The physical factor and chemical factor also play major role, and biochemical factor also plays a major role for the immune system development. So the chemical factors also major play role. Along with chemical factor, other factors also there are other factors mean especially temperature. So you know every constant body temperature, thermoconformer, thermoregulator, especially birds and mammals come under the thermoregulator. So thermoregulator means which animal body temperature always constant maintaining. That group of animals come under the thermoregulator. So you know already human beings body temperature 37 degrees centigrade. And in these 37 degrees temperature, generally bacteria, fungus, virus cannot develop into multiplication, is not takes place. They are dry. So if there any unexpectedly if they enter, they are trying to survival. So at the time automatically the temperature raising. Under presence of temperature raising, what happening? The microbes able to kill. So fever, when the fever will come, so any foreign particles enter into the animal body. So when they are enter into the animal body, they are disturbed to the different kind of systems. When there are numerous activities or takes place, at the time automatically body temperature raising. So under presence of body temperature raising, automatically microbes are dying. So like that numerous innate immunity influence the following factors. You know, physical chemical factor, biochemical factor, genetical factor, other factors. These are all come under the innate immunity or non-specific immunity. Tomorrow discuss specific immunity. How the specific immunity is there, what kind of influence are they. Specific immunity is different from the innate immunity. It is a non-specific immunity, it is natural immunity. So specific immunity means after birth, a human being artificially getting immunity come under acquired immunity. You know, vaccination, corona vaccination, whatever different kind of vaccines are they available in the market, available in the hospitals. So every vaccine come under the acquired immunity. Discuss tomorrow.